Ooh. I'm going to Fry's. You need anything? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, those are good. We should definitely get those. Okay, I'll put them on the list. Okay, should I get those chips that you like too? I got you. Can get you a sweet treat. Girl, you can afford it. Body is tea. Okay, girl. I got your list. I'm gonna go in, get your snacks, and then I'll hit you back when I get back in the car. And no, you don't need to Zelle me because you got the Starbucks last time. I'm gonna get the snacks this time. Don't even worry about it. All right, girly pop.